Imagine waking up tomorrow. Your income doesn't rely solely on your last paycheck. What if your earnings continued while you slept? That's the power of financial assets. When you work for a salary, you trade time for money. But owning valuable assets lets you earn without constant effort. Today, we'll explore 7 assets that can generate wealth for decades. Let's dive into diversified market investments first. When buying stocks, you own a piece of a company. Companies sell products, hire staff, and seek profits. If these businesses grow, so can your earnings. But picking one successful company can be risky. That's where diversification comes in. Instead of betting on one company, you invest in many. This spreads risk and stabilizes returns. Imagine a forest instead of one tree. If one tree falls, the forest remains. Next, we have real estate, a trusted wealth builder for centuries. People need homes and businesses need offices, creating value in property. Real estate can generate rental income and appreciate in value. Leverage is key here. It allows you to control large assets with less cash. But beware. If markets drop or tenants leave, losses can multiply. Now, let's talk about building a business. This can have incredible upside. A business creates systems, hires employees, and builds a loyal customer base. It goes beyond just a job. But many businesses fail. Competition is fierce, and managing people and processes can be tough. Consider entrepreneurship a journey with potential rewards, but not without its risks. Next, we explore intellectual property. This could be a book, a patent, or an online course. Your creation can generate income long after you finish it. 1 hour of effort might yield multiple sales. Digital products further this idea. A software program or online course can serve countless customers with little extra effort. Yet, success requires unique offerings that stand out in a crowded marketplace. Our 6th asset is royalties. Imagine earning from your creations whenever others use them. Musicians, authors, and inventors can all collect royalties repeatedly. This ownership model can lead to significant income over time. Finally, let's discuss your personal brand and audience. Your reputation can attract attention and trust in today's digital economy. A loyal following can support various products or services. Building an audience is crucial but fragile. Always nurture relationships independent of rented platforms. Here's the big lesson. You don't need all 7 assets or instant wealth. Focus on gradually enhancing your asset portfolio. Use your job to create capital, develop skills for higher earnings, and let your assets grow your wealth. Wealth isn't just about income. It's about owning value. The sooner you understand that, the sooner your assets can begin working for you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Finance Flow for more practical money tips. Comment below. Which of these 7 assets would you build first? Imagine waking up to the sound of your alarm, fully aware that your financial foundation is secure. As you stretch and prepare for the day ahead, consider the freedom that comes from establishing diverse income streams. This journey isn't just about amassing wealth. It's about cultivating stability in your financial habits and choices. You may encounter challenges along the way, but with perseverance and the right knowledge, you can create a life where your assets thrive, allowing you to focus on pursuits that truly matter to you. Embrace the learning curve and let your financial journey unfold. Let's take a closer look at diversified market investments, the first asset on our list. Investing in stocks isn't merely about buying shares. It's about becoming a partial owner of a company with the potential to grow. When these companies flourish, your investment does too. However, pinpointing the next big winner can be a daunting task. which is why diversification serves as your safety net. By allocating your funds across various companies, you minimize the impact of any single failure, creating a balanced investment strategy. Imagine watching a vibrant ecosystem where every element contributes to overall resilience, a network instead of isolated risks. Next, let's shift our focus to real estate, a time-honored strategy for building wealth. Real estate isn't just about owning land, it's an investment in a tangible asset that serves a basic human need: shelter. Whether it's residential homes or commercial spaces, every property holds the power to generate income and appreciate over time. Consider the potential of rental income flowing steadily into your bank account, creating a reliable revenue stream. But remember, leverage is a double-edged sword. While it helps you control valuable property with less upfront cash, it can amplify your losses as circumstances turn unfavorable. As we delve into entrepreneurship, envision the possibilities that arise from building your own business. It's not just a matter of earning a paycheck, it's about cultivating a system that creates value, employs individuals, and fosters community engagement. Yet, this path is riddled with uncertainties. Navigating competition and managing resources can be daunting, and many ventures face hurdles. Embracing entrepreneurship is to accept the risks while striving toward potential rewards. Balancing innovation with practicality is essential. Successful businesses stem from the ability to adapt and persevere in a world of constant change. As we transition into the realm of intellectual property, think about the creations that have the power to transform a simple idea into a sustainable income source. Whether it's a compelling book that captures readers' imaginations or a groundbreaking patent that paves the way for new technology, intellectual property creates lasting value. Your expertise and creativity can produce works that earn money long after their initial launch. This asset isn't just a fleeting opportunity, it's an investment in your knowledge and talent, yielding returns as diverse as the ideas themselves. Digital products echo this concept further, allowing creators to reach audiences far beyond their immediate surroundings. A well-crafted software program or engaging online course can invite a continuous stream of customers, often with minimal ongoing effort required. However, the landscape is competitive, demanding exceptional offerings that resonate and stand out in a sea of choices. Just as a unique melody captures attention in a crowded concert, your digital product must strike a chord with potential buyers to unleash its full earning potential. By harnessing your skills to innovate and cater to consumer needs, you can carve out an essential niche in this dynamic marketplace. Our sixth asset, royalties, offers a unique avenue for ongoing income. Imagine creating something that, for years to come, earns you money every time it's used. Musicians profit from their songs, authors from their books, and inventors from their patents, all reaping rewards for their creativity. This ownership model not only secures revenue but also builds a legacy that continues to impact others long after the initial creation. Your personal brand and audience represent a potent asset in today's interconnected world. Cultivating a loyal following amplifies your voice and influence, paving the way to various products or services you can introduce. However, nurturing these relationships is crucial, as they form the backbone of sustained success, transcending the limitations of any single platform. The foundation you build will allow your assets to flourish, ushering in a future where your financial dreams become reality.